What's something people don't know about the Motorola Razr 50 Ultra? Well, you're about to find out. This sleek beauty is not just a throwback, it's packed with cutting-edge tech. First up, the unboxing. The packaging is minimalistic and elegant, giving you that premium feel right from the start. Inside, you get the phone, a fast charger, USB-C cable, and a nifty SIM tool. The Razr 50 Ultra boasts a stunning foldable OLED display with vibrant colors and sharp resolution. And the hinge? Super smooth and solid. Powered by the latest Snapdragon processor, it's lightning fast, whether you're multitasking or gaming. The camera? A whopping 50 megapixels, perfect for capturing every detail. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights and reviews. Hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Catch you in the next video.